Hi, this is an example of how to solve a limit here. And I have here this limit when x approaches to 6 to this expression here. And just for starters, we have to substitute this x equal to 6 in the expression just to see if we get to an undefined here. And that's what I'm going to use right away. It will be 3 over 6 minus 1/2 here all over 6 minus 6, and I think we can just notice that this being it's just the same as 1/2, positive 1/2. So if we subtract what's in the denominator, we'll get here a 0, and below we'll get as well a 0, 6 minus 6. So we get to our undefined here. So that means we have to do something about it. We have to work this through algebra here. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I'm going to start here right away. So I'm going to start here by getting a common denominator here between these two guys here in the denominator. So I'm going to start multiplying the 3 over x times 2 over 2, and the other one, the 1/2, I'm going to be multiplying by x over x. I'm just multiplying by the other denominator, the other term, and below will remain just the same, this x minus 6. Now we'll get here to now it will be x, the limit when x approaches to 6. And here we get a 6 over x minus x over 2 times x. I'm sorry, here will be a 2 times x as well, and all over x minus 6. And now that I have the same denominator here in these two terms, these as now I can proceed to subtract them directly. That's what I'm going to do here. It's going to be a 6 minus x over 2 times x over x minus 6, and I'm going to write here directly a over 1 just to make it clear that I'm going to make here the sandwich rule here. So I'm going to get to this expression will be 6 minus x over 2 times x minus 6. Now I'm going to continue in here. From here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to limit when x approaches to 6. I'm going to change the signs in these two, the 6 minus x in the denominator, just by multiplying by -1 would be negative x minus 6, like this, over 2 times x minus 6. Now by doing so, now I can just cancel out this x minus 6 here and here, and I will get to this expression here, the limit when x approaches to 6 of a negative 1 over 2 times x. Now that I get here, I have to check out, after simplifying, to substitute the x, and if I do not find an undefined, that it means it's okay. So I'm going to substitute here. Evidently it will not be the case here. I won't get an undefined. It will be 2 over 2 times 6, and so I'm going to get 1 over 12, negative 1 over 12.